Hello everyone, my name is Nikhil sir. Today I am giving you some information. So you listen carefully. In holiday or holidays, in Diwali vacation or in summer vacation, we will visit different places, and the purpose of visiting that place is quite different. Some people will visit that place because of some occasional purpose. Some people will visit that place for festival purpose, or some people will visit that place is for wedding purpose, or some people will visit for that place for educational purpose. Means there are different types of purposes are there, and for that means when we visit that place we will prefer traveling, and in traveling we will prefer two types of transportation. The first type of transportation is public transport, and second type is private transport. In public transport we use buses, railways and aeroplanes, and in private transport we will use our bike and our four wheelers. Means we will travel by these two transportations. In traveling we will prefer window seat. Why we choose window seat? Because we will see the different types of crops, we will see different types of trees, we will feel different types of climate, we will feel different types of weather, and also we will see dams. Then another purpose we have to sit at window side is we will see the rivers. Means we will see these different varieties while sitting at window side in the traveling. In the same way, today we will start our new topic of geography, that is field visit. In field visit, first we will see what is the meaning of field visit. Field visit. Field visit is quite different from textual knowledge. We have to go on the field work, we have to study different elements, we understand different things, and then we will learn what is there on that. In the village we will see public transport, we also see drainage system, we also see water supply, we also see hospitality, we also see MSCB boards. Means this system we will see in the villages, but studying about that concept, studying about that situations, studying about that particular place is not sufficient. So we, we want to understand that we have to go on that place. Means we will give field visit. Next, importance of field visit. Now we will see importance of field visit. Before going towards this, point we will see some clips. See, in this picture we will see plain region. Plain region is there. Plenty of land is available here. We will see lot of population is staying here, and we will see the roof of the houses are flat because of because of the field. Lot of field is available here. That's why farmer will take different types of crops here, and these types of field we can see in Maharashtra, in the Solapur district, in Usmanabad district, Latur, Parbhani, Aurangabad, then in Vidarbha, then in Marathwada, we will see these types of field available here. In India, we will see in the state of Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh. And the main crop in this region is jowar and pulses. And the weather is dry. Next, see the mountain region. In the mountain region, number of varieties and types of trees are available here. We will see very less people are staying in these places. Also, we will see very less land is available for cultivation. See the roof type. The roof is flat, means some slope type. The main crop here, farmers will take rice and maize. And in Maharashtra, we will see in the some part of Pune district and near about the Western Ghat. In India, we will see these places in Madhya Pradesh, in Chhattisgarh, in Karnataka, in Tamil Nadu district, or maybe in eastern side of the India. And the climate is cool. Next, we will see higher rainfall region. In higher rainfall region, see the house type is quite different. Here, the slope type is we can see in the roof, and see the number of different varieties type of trees also available here. In India, we will see these places in Himachal Pradesh, in the Western Ghat, and in the Eastern Ghat. Next, we will see the coastal region where the sea is attached with the earth is called coastal region. In the coastal region, we will see the coconut trees are available here. Plenty of coconut trees are available in coastal region, and very less population is stay in Konkan coastal region. And in Maharashtra, in Konkan region, we will see such type of coastal region. In Maharashtra, I have told you, we will see this region in Konkan, and in India, we will see in Gujarat, in Karnataka, in Tamil Nadu, and in the state Kerala, and eastern coastal area Odisha. Next, see the desert region. We will see sand is there, less population is stay in this area, and number of trees is also are less. In India, we will see in Rajasthan and some part of Punjab is a desert region. Next, a red soil region. We will see in Maharashtra, in Konkan region, and in Satara, Mahabaleshwar. Such type of soil is available there. In the red soil, farmers will take rice, maize, bajra, maca as a main crops. And the weather is cold in this place. Next, black soil region, where plain area black soil is available in plenty, and in this black soil region farmers will take cotton and jar as a main crops. And the weather of this region is also dry. We will see these regions in Maharashtra, in Sholapur, in Usmanabad, in Latur, in Nanded, in Parbani, in Nagpur. Means these different varieties, these different situations we will see in not only in Maharashtra but also in India. Now we will come to our point, importance of field visit. What is the first important? Field visit is an important method in geography. Field visit is an important method in geography. For example, I want to understand Rajasthan. Only textual knowledge it not give sufficient information. If we visit that place, we can easily understand. Suppose uh, in the Rajasthan, people wear cotton clothes. Why they wear? Because the climate is very high. That's why people prefer cotton clothes. Second, geographical elements and concepts are experienced in the field visit. Means earlier I have told you, suppose you take any element, suppose I want to study black soil, means I want to visit where the black soil region is there. First I will check the soil, then I see the characteristics of that soil, means which crops will grow, how water is required for that soil, how much water is required for that soil, how weather is one for that crop. Means when I go on the field, I can easily understand, I can study on that, and I learn that black soil region. Next, third one, field visits are help to understand the relation between human and environment. Means field visit help to understand what is the relation between nature, means environment, and human. In the coastal region, people will prefer fishing as a job because plenty of fishes is available in the sea, in the lake, in the river. That's why people prefer that job. Means they can make relation in between human and environment. In Jammu Kashmir, people will prefer woolen clothes because why? Because the temperature is very low in Jammu and Kashmir. That's why they prefer woolen clothes. So, in this way, we have seen 2 points in this chapter. What is first point? What is a field visit? Means meaning of field visit we have seen. Second, we have seen the importance with help of the pictures. I hope you understood it better. Let's we revise once again. In the field visit, this lesson, we have understood the meaning of field visit, then importance of field visit. If any query is there, you can give comment. Shall I moving the next point? I want to give some homework for you. Previously you have visited some place, already you have visited. While visiting that place, what your experience in the concept of first one is a relief, second one is water bodies, third one is vegetation, fourth one is soil, fifth one is agriculture, sixth one is human settlement, and seventh one is settlement patterns. You can write notes on these points and complete your homework. If any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you.